Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all as we are slowly moving back to office physically and meeting our teams, and some of the team members joined recently or maybe during pandemic when we didn't have a face-to-face interaction with them. So today I will talk about how to make new team members feel welcome in the team. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas for new age management skills. So if you are a manager, it is your job to make this transition as easy as possible for both the newbie and the wider team. You will need to help them get their heads around the work management tools and help them understand the company culture. There is no blueprint here that every team is different, but approaching the situation with plenty of empathy is a good starting point. Welcoming a new team members begins from the minute they accept the job offer. You can also make them feel that they are part of the team before they even step through the door. Then send them sometimes nice or something. It is standard practice to send new employees a contract, a company handbook, or maybe a laptop or any other gift item. But communication doesn't have to start and end with formal documents. They probably be full of nervous anticipation. So capitalize on this energy and send them a welcome pack, a letter card, or even just email to let them know that how pleased you are that they are joining your team. It is little things like that makes newcomers feel welcome, valued, excited to meet the everyone in the team. Then give them access to the groups. Obviously, you will need to be a little careful with this one. You probably shouldn't give them unfettered access to the company's information, but give them a bird's eye view of the company's operation, the financials, and the company's structure, or a chat group or social media pages of the company so they can join and follow before they start. Then give them early access so they can introduce themselves and get a little taste of the office culture. The first day in new job usually consists of an office tour, a introduction with everyone in the team, followed by health and safety meeting with HR. But to be honest, no starter remembers anyone's name unless your company is very small, to be honest. And the health and safety stuff is usually pretty dry. Basically, none of these things foster a feeling of inclusivity. So make the team member feel that they are really in the office. So make a quick start. Try at this new starter program to really get the newbies fired up and fitting in. Welcome the newcomer on the start of a new day with another email telling them how pleased that you are that joined the team. Set some time aside, personally welcome them, and encourage each team member to do the same. This doesn't have take up a huge chunk of the day. You should hold a 15-minute stand-up and ask each person to introduce themselves, names and with the job titles. But it make it more interesting and memorable by asking each person to share something interesting facts about them or maybe unconventional about themselves. Leave a little treat on their desk when they arrive. It doesn't have to be a big or flashy a cup with the names on it, or a small box of chocolate, or a coffee mug with a smiley. Make a lot of difference and put a lot of smile on their face. Tell them that you are really welcomed. New questions are given, so make yourselves available through them throughout the day. This means postponing lengthy meeting or a business trip until the day after. If you really do need to disappear for a few hours, let the new starter know and tell them that who can help them out in your absence. So make them feel that. Have a welcome event, hosting a coffee, morning lunch, or a afternoon gathering is a great way to break the ice and help the new team member to start connecting with your team and a wider team across the company. Meeting new people is often a stressful experience for someone. Some people are naturally outgoing and won't think anything of going up and starting a conversation with a stranger. Other peoples are more reserved and prefer to wait for an introduction before they approaching someone themselves. So be careful and try to target all the types of the audience in your team. When you have a new starter, always assume that they are little camp and introduce themselves to the people on your team. Even if the newcomer appears to be self-sufficient and happy to approach people uninvited, it is still a good idea to foster those introductions so they can build relationship with the right people early on. New people need to ask question. It is a good thing. You should not only encourage them to ask question about the company's culture, the company's norms, or how the team works, or how the company is organized. That being said, is if you're receiving a lot of question, you may need to provide more in-depth support during first few days to make them understand the company's culture, which is, I think, very most important. Say that they are going to grip on the tool, but you haven't explained it properly or provided them with a walkthrough. They will be in a situation where they have to frequently interrupt you or others around them to ask for help. It makes them feel awkward and it is disruptive for anyone else. So make them understand from the word go. Make sure new people have all the information that they need to start their work. They should have all the tools and system in place, training session, handbooks, or any other documentation that they needed to start their work. Let the starter know that you are available to help them whenever they need it. That way they feel empowered to achieve their goals, while the wider team will be able to collaborate with the newer people faster and more productivity. Empathy and planning are the key ingredients in making a new team member feel welcome to the team. But these things will go only so far if they don't have the right tools to their job. So friends, what do you think? If you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas. You can follow me on Instagram and visit my website www.masterclasswithtapas. So till I meet next, bye for now. Take care. Thanks.